1, 2, 3, 4. Boom! What do you think? That is Horse with No Name by America. Super famous song right there, and it's a blast to play and blast to loop if you got a looper pedal. So if you don't, go get one. I'm going to show you how to play the chords for the rhythm, and then I'm going to show you some of those notes up top, and I'm going to teach you some of the basics of looping, you know, when to start, when to stop, how to layer them in really fast in just a couple of minutes. So I'm just going to shut up and let's get right to it. So it's an E minor right here. I've got my Gibson J45. Sounds great unplugged, a little piezo-ish, you know, going through the speakers here, but it's an E minor. And let me give you the chords first. E minor, then it does this thing right here. It's like a version of like D, but really all you hit is two notes right here. That's the second fret of the G string and the second fret of the low E string, and you hit everything else in between open. Isn't that cool? So high E, B string open, that second fret of the G, and then open D, open A, and second fret of the low E string. So that's what makes this song so easy. It only has two chords, E minor, get that kind of palm muting right there, and let the high ones ring out every once in a while, then do that chord I just showed you. Very nice. So those are the chords the whole time through. And if you want to put it down as a loop, what you do is you just play lower volume. It's one of the big keys to looping is don't play your original loop too loud, because then people won't be able to hear you solo. So you can see there I started really chill, really low like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very cool. So right there, let me stop it. I played one of the times with my thumb right there just because it was sort of easy, but you sort of go low and count it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. You always start your loop on the 1 and you end it on the 1. So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, click, dun, 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 dun. And then when you're ready to stop, 2, 3, 4, click. You always start and stop your loops on the 1 count, and you'll be good to go. So if you play lower volume and go on that 1 count, you'll be doing great. That'll be the great start to a loop. And you can see right there with my looper pedal I've got here, you can easily go into play mode very easily. And so when I did that, I just sort of did this. That is so easy. All I'm doing right there is hitting the 4th fret of the G string to the 2nd fret and back up to the 4th fret right there. 4th, 2nd, 4th, 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 2nd, 4th right there. Isn't that right? Isn't that nice? And then to add a little complication, not complication, awesomeness, you add that nice little thing like this. Messed it up. Right there. There's a couple different ways to play it. That's why I messed it up. That's the 4th fret right where we were of the G string, and then 3rd of the B, 2nd, open, now 2nd of the G, and then slide it up to the 4th of the D string, back to the 2nd of the G string, back to the 4th of the G string, 3rd of the B, and 2nd of the B string right there. So I'll put all those together for you. Ready? Let me hit play first of all. It's doing that. Does that 2 times. Now I'm going to hit dub. You ready? thought I hit stop, didn't hit stop. So you can slide in if you want to. Well, the next part goes like this. Creates a really nice little harmony right here. So that's on the 7th fret of the G to the 7th of the B string, 5th of the B string, back to the 7th of the G. That's the 6th of the G twice, 7th of the D string, 6th of the G, 7th of the G string, and 7th of the B, and 5th of the B string right there. So if I hit play, you got that going on. When you layer this in, then you can just solo and have fun over it, or remove those loops like this if you got a looper where there's an undo. It removed that last loop, and then you can add back in. Super fun and easy. All right, that's Horse with No Name by America, the fastest looper lesson of all time in world history. Give me some ideas for more songs like this. I've got a ton more looping ideas that are great to do for beginners, intermediate, or even advanced. And I'll see you around the channel. Hit like, hit subscribe if you like it. And if you don't, hit like anyway. All right, see ya.